How to clear your history on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open your Google Chrome browser. Click on the three vertical dots at the top right of the screen. Click on History. Click on blue text at the top that says Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range as you want using the drop-down menu. Make sure that all the boxes are unchecked except the browsing history one. Once you do that, click on Clear Data. And that's it. That's how to clear your history on Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.